in the year 2007, and we came up with this technology management program called MIT School of Telecom Management with System, Finance and Marketing as a specializations. So under the finance specializations, this is the Finance Summit. I would like to welcome our board of member and the advisor to the MIT School of Telecom Management, Mr. Ravindra Deshmukh. I also would like to welcome from the Department of Telecom, Government of India, Mr. Vinit Mathur. Welcome, sir. MIT School of Telecom Management, we are working in a research sector. Mobile education, mobile health, mobile agriculture, the highway traffic management system through mobile. There are at least 8 to 9 initiatives in these last 7 years, the students, faculties, they took up. I'm very happy to mention few of the initiatives. Why I'm telling? Because all the experts, they are sitting here from the panel 1 and panel 2. Even if the students, they can get few ideas from them, that will be the great, or that will rather the outcome of this financial summit. So we did in mobile education, we came out with the tablet, we adopted 2 villages and we supported for the below poverty line farmers through the mobile based education system. That is, we came out with the tablet with 3 icons onto the tablet, school ka icon, hospital ka icon and other Krushi Utpanna Bajar Samiti ka icon. If I am a student, click onto the school icon, you will get 10 numbers. If I am a student of a 7, click onto the 7, you will get subjects. On the clicking on subject, you will get the chapters and animated professor will come and will start teaching you. Not only teaching, learning, but followed by the multiple choice questions, 45 minutes ka time, 60 questions. The moment you click onto the last button, you will get the score. Not restricting with the education, we also developed mobile attendance system. If you are entering with your mobile into the Wi-Fi classroom, your attendance will automatically get uploaded. Mobile library system. If I am sending a SMS to the library server, I will be getting a reply that this book is not available. We will be sending you a soft copy of this book. If not, after 8 days, the hard copy of the book will be available. Please come and collect. So all these education initiatives, the students and staff, they jointly undertook. In mobile agriculture, we came up with the mobile SMS system. The farmer will use to get 17 parameters related with the agriculture on his mobile under the vicinity of say 6 kilometers. So what is the rainfall, what is the wind direction, what is the moisture, what is the temperature, all 17 parameters. That project got patented also. Mobile based irrigation system, the managing the water flow through the SMS, that also we developed. The prototype is available in MIT campus. Both the prototypes are available. Mobile health, the students came out with the Care Mother and Mobile Patho. They developed one Android application. The Android application, if you click the camera and if you plug this small blood drop through the microscope, small microscope attached to the camera, you will get the 4 parameters on your screen. Red blood cell, white blood cell and all those. They got the first prize at IIT Powai Bombay, 1 lakh rupees prize, and most of the venture capitalists or private equity players, they came forward, they asked for those, the technology. We came out with the highway traffic management system through mobile, and we also entered into the telematics insurance. So a lot of these initiatives we have taken. Not restricting to these, we also did some surveys, that study of mobile banking services in public and private sector banks. And by looking into the young population at MIT, we did the psycho-analysis of mobile applications usage among the Z teens. So these are the various initiatives. Along with Mr. Deshmukh, we implemented the cashless card system. I'm sure he will be talking to you. But these are the various initiatives we are doing, and one of the initiatives is mobile money. We are here to understand what are those applications on your mobile, SBI ka application, RBL ka application, and how I can do the transaction through the apps. Is it possible? What is there? How the population, rural population can get the money. the government of India put many more regulations. They ask every telecom operator to apply for the payment banks. So many. The M-Pesa is a story, success story. There are so many initiatives. The discussions and deliberations will happen in next two panel discussions. But let me take this opportunity to welcome the first panel also here. Today amongst we have Mr. Ritesh Pai, the Senior Vice President and Head, Ratnakar Bank. Sir, I would like to welcome you. Mr. Amit Srivastav from Vodafone, he is DGM M-Pesa, Vodafone, Pune. Then Mr. Shirish Deshpande, CEO, Buldhana Urban Bank. Maybe Mr. Sandeep will be representing him. And Mr. Kanchan Kulkarni, the Regional Head, ICICI Bank, Pune. So I would like to welcome all the panelists over here. The first panelist. We always talk about the difference between ideas and implementation of ideas, planning and implementation of planning and so on. Similarly, MidSort is delighted today to welcome the masterminds who work on ideas from corporate world and the masterminds that work on actual implementation. The brains from the banking sector, the brains from the telecom